So basically right now I have this spike and this pauldron, a very, 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 very basic pauldron. Because I wanted to show people how you can conform any object to the face, these faces, okay? Without having to use an array modifier. Because I was in the Discord channel the other day, and one of the members said that, you know, he was having a hard time informing it using the array modifier. So I'm going to show you how you can do this without having to use the array modifier. And it's very simple. It's so simple. This is my workaround. Okay. So what you want to do is like go to the object that you want to conform to it. Go into edit mode. And you know, for example, I'm using a spike here. For example, I'm using a spike here, okay? So it could be a face or a vertice. Doesn't matter. Okay. Press, you know, click on the vertice or the face, press Shift and S, and then cursor to selected. Okay. Come out of edit mode, right click, set origin to 3D cursor. Okay. Press Shift and A, empty plane axis. Click on the spike, hold down Shift, left click on the empty, Control P to parent it, but keep the transforms. Okay, so that's the spike sorted out. Now, how do we make this spike follow this shape? It's very simple. It's very simple. Click on the pauldron, go into face mode, click a face, hold down Shift, skip one, skip one, skip one, skip one, skip one, skip one, skip one. Kind of sounds like my foreign friend. Skip one. Shift and P to duplicate. Right click, put it in place, and then P to separate the selection. Come out of edit mode. Click on the pauldron. Hide it. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. Okay. Click on this. Press tab, press number 3 on the keyboard to bring it up to face mode. Press A, select all the faces. Face, poke, faces. Okay. Click and drag over the spike and the empty. Okay. And then make sure that you have these settings enabled. Center, vertex, move, rotate, align. Make sure that you have these settings enabled, even if you have to pause the video to make sure that you have these settings enabled. Then press G, Shift D. Shift D is duplicate. Shift and D, like Shift and Delta. Shift D again. Shift D again. Shift D again. Shift D. Shift D. Shift and D. Now that you've done that, left click on your first object, hold down Shift, click, 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 click. Control and J to join them all together. Alt and P. As you can see, Alt P. Keep transformations. Delete all of the empties. Now, if you look at the front view, you can see that they are all perfectly snapped to the center. Okay. Isn't that a beautiful thing? It's not like a beautiful thing. They're all perfectly snapped to the center. Okay. Click on these faces, delete, unhide the pauldron, Alt and space. I'm a 3ds Max user. I've set this to Alt and space. I can just like do this, you know. Control Z. Sorry, Control Shift Alt Z. What we have here is a little problem because I don't think that I duplicated these faces. I didn't duplicate them. Okay. I have to hide that. Alt Z, and what we'll do is we'll just go into fill. That was my mistake. But hey, that's why I'm showing you this, because at least I admit my mistakes. Fill and fill. Fill and fill. Nice to meet you, Phil. Alt H. Alt and H will, we can put that. There we go. Alt and spacebar. As you can see, it's not perfect because I wasn't coming into this intending to make a pauldron. I just wanted to make a cylinder. I just wanted to make like a cylinder. So, but as you can see, that it perfectly snaps. And look at the beauty of that. Look at the beauty of how perfectly that snaps. It's beautiful, isn't it? Anyway, if you want another tutorial on something that's a little bit more advanced, because it all depends on what you're trying to do, it can get a lot more advanced. So if you'd like another tutorial on more advanced snapping and stuff like that, then please leave a comment. And please, subscribe to me. Okay, please subscribe to me. Yeah, it would help me a lot. And you guys are amazing. And you gals and everyone in between are amazing. I love you so much, everyone. And, take care.